Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to force quit apps on Mac. So first of all, press Option plus Command plus Escape from your keyboard at the same time. A small window called Force Quit Applications will appear on your screen. Here you will see the list of currently running applications. Now click on the frozen app or any suspicious application that you want to close and click on the Force Quit button from the bottom right corner. A confirmation pop-up may appear on your screen. Simply click on Force Quit again to confirm. This will immediately close the selected application. Now let's also see the second method using Activity Monitor. Once Activity Monitor opens, find the app or process that you want to stop. Click on the app or process to select it. After that, click on the X icon located at the top left side. This will stop the selected app or process from running on your MacBook. And that's it. This is how you can force quit apps on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.